Hi everyone, let's go over my bullish 1 hour Elliott wave scenarios on Bitcoin, starting with the first scenario where we are looking for the 5-wave impulsive structure to the upside in blue, currently working on the blue wave 3 with the white subdegree count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The common target for your wave 4 is between the 0.236 and the 0.5 Fibonacci, taken from the low of 2 to the high of 3, which at the moment is nicely respected. The invalidation for your wave 4 is the 0.618 at 82.7k. An alternative bullish scenario which has a lower invalidation is what you see on the chart here. Here we have again a wave 1, 2, but this time your blue wave 3 is already finished, and then you have your blue 4 and then your blue 5. So the result is the same, it's just a different count. The invalidation lower, 81.1k in this scenario compared to 82.7k in the previous scenario. Now the reason that this is an alternative scenario at the moment is because of your wave 3 here towards the upside. Because here we then have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished impulse in white. However, after this wave 2 here, you can see that price created 2 more ranges. If you count this as a 1, 2, 1, 2, then before the white wave 3 here, we need to count a 4, 5, 4, 5, which at the moment, as you can see, is a bit tricky because it's pretty much a straight line to the upside, knowing that more often a wave 4 actually takes more time than wave 2s. Even if one would try to count this as a diagonal structure for another single 1, 2, you still want to see a bit of a wave 4 here, so it just doesn't look as nice from an impulsive perspective. However, then again, the result is the same. You're looking for a new all-time high. And then finally, the second alternative here on the chart, where we then have the green count, 1, 2, looking for the green wave 3, and another 4 and 5 in green. Inside the green wave 3, we then have the blue subdegree count, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then inside wave 1 we have that same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white subdegree count as I just explained. Doesn't look as neat, but here we're looking for a bigger wave 2, and the invalidation is the lowest out of the 3 scenarios, being this low here at 75.7k. The common target for a wave 2 is the 05 to the 786, taken from the low to the high of your blue wave 1, giving you a target between 82.9k to 78.8k. A minimum target would be the 382 at 84.5k, and you do not like to hit the 886. It's very low probabilities for a wave 2 to find support on an 886 at 77.4k. Looking at some horizontal levels of support and resistance, to the upside we have a daily at 88.7k and a daily naked point of control at 90k, and to the downside we also have some volume levels at 81.8, 79.6k and around 76k. Especially the 2 daily naked point of controls down here are at least interesting to be aware of, just because the common target area for your deeper retracement wave 2 is in confluence with those 2 daily naked point of controls. Now we also have some news today, Wednesday, November 13 here, 2:30 p.m. Central European Time. I will be live on YouTube at that time to see what happens on the chart, because it can increase the volatility, so make sure that you trade safe. If we then finally look at the probabilities of the different scenarios, then currently the highest probability scenario is where we are looking for the white wave 4, another move to the upside in 5. On the number 2 spot, we are looking for the blue wave 4 and another move to the upside in wave 5. And then on the final spot, we are looking for a deeper retracement in 2. Now, in all of these scenarios, the result is the same. You are looking for price to move towards the upside. It's just that the invalidation is different. I hope that this video was helpful or valuable to you. Please check out the CVD indicator video, the best indicator out there in my opinion, or the Elliott Wave educational playlist to help you understand more about Elliott waves. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I hope to see you at the next one. Bye bye.